Today we will discuss about numbers from 1 to 9.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we will be exploring the potential of the Gurukulplex's Potential Raised with Love program. This program is based on a unique concept that aims to revolutionize how children can learn to count from 1 to 9 by making it fun and engaging. With this program, children will develop the capacity to think critically and problem-solve with numerical figures while having a great time. Let's get started. At Gurukulplex, we understand the significance of learning numbers and how it can transform your life. That's why we've created the Raised with Love program, a fun and effective way to teach kids the fundamentals of number recognition, counting and addition from 1 to 9. Unlock the power of numbers and join us on this exciting journey. It is essential for students to learn and identify the number 1 as it is arguably the most important number of all. Its vertical form is used to signify unity, singularity and new beginnings, which has been the case for generations. To aid in their learning of the number 1, we can use visual aids such as counting fingers or showing a single object, as well as helping them to recognize the sound of the W in 1. This exercise provides a good foundation in their subsequent understanding of mathematics and the world it describes. The number 2 is a foundational concept in mathematics. Following 1, it's the first even number. Visual aids can aid in comprehension, for example, displaying two objects or employing fingers to present the number. To reinforce the understanding of this concept, I would urge students to repeat both the number and its name. Number 3 has a special place in our world and can bring luck, joy, and harmony. The Power of Love program encourages children to get imaginative when it comes to numbers, by exploring the multiple uses of 3 in enjoyable activities. This can include forming a triangle out of playground blocks, writing a story about 3 characters on an adventure, or designing vibrant posters for their room. There are plenty of great ways to have fun with 3. Introducing the number 4 to students requires making it fun and interactive. Visual aids like showing 4 objects can help make the learning experience enjoyable. For instance, you can show them 4 apples, 4 pencils, or 4 chairs. You can also use your fingers to demonstrate the number 4. Encourage students to repeat the number and its name, and explain its relation to other numbers. For example, 4 is 1 more than 3 and 1 less than 5. With the Love program, children can learn to count numbers from 1 to 9 and have fun doing it. This is how we help them progress in their learning. Number 5 has an important place in mathematics, and it is essential to help kids understand and recognize it in the world. Showing them 5 objects such as apples or pencils, and having them count out 5 fingers on their hands can help them understand the concept. Having them repeat the number and its name, and being able to recognize it in various contexts, will enable them to acknowledge its significance. Gurukulplex's Potential Raised with Love program encourages children to have fun while learning to count numbers from 1 to 9, by introducing the number 5 with the help of visual aids. When it comes to the number 6, versatility is key. Not only is it the product of 2 and 3, it can also be expressed as the sum of consecutive integers. In fact, in geometry, it is the number of sides on a hexagon. To help our students memorize the number and its name, it can be helpful to use visual aids, like showing 6 objects or using fingers to represent the number. We can also encourage our students to repeat the number and its name to help them master it. With the help of our Love program, we're sure they'll be counting from 1 to 9 in no time. The number 7 is an important number in many cultures, mathematics, and everyday life. It's considered a lucky number and appears in books, movies, and even slot machines. There are 7 days in a week, 7 colors in a rainbow, and 7 continents on Earth. It's easy to remember too, because we can use our fingers to represent the number 7 by holding up 3 fingers on one hand and 4 on the other. 8 has been infused with significant cultural and mathematical meaning throughout time. In Chinese culture, 8 is a symbolic number that conveys prosperity and good fortune. In Hinduism, 8 alludes to the grandness of the universe and its connection to all parts. Mathematically, 8 is the sole even and composite number, meaning it can be divided by other numbers aside from 1 and 8. 8 is thus much more than the figure it appears to be. An important number in many areas of our lives is number 9. It symbolizes the potential that each of these children possess. Learning the concept behind the number 9 allows children to comprehend that anything is achievable with the suitable insight and practice. The LOVE program is created to act as a pillar of support to this notion. Our guidance and encouragement can help these children build their self-esteem and go after their aspirations. We strongly uphold the weight of education in our program as making sure these children gain the capability and know how to unlock their utmost potential. Show the student the proper way to form the number 1 on a whiteboard or worksheet. Ensure they have adequate practice to feel confident in writing it correctly. Demonstrate the correct shape for each stroke of the number 2. Subsequently, provide instruction and practice for the remaining numbers from 3 to 9. Through this lesson, the student will have acquired the skill of writing numbers from 1 to 9. Using number stories as an educational tool is an effective and enjoyable way to help children understand the concept of counting from 1 to 9. These stories enable children to recognize and remember numbers in a fun and entertaining manner. At Eichelplex, we strive to make learning meaningful and enjoyable through our Potential Raised with Love initiative. We strongly encourage children to learn to count through these engaging stories. Let's review the numbers we've learned. Let's count from 1 to 9 and see how we do. Great work! Now let's use a visual aid to help us remember each number. Take number 3 for instance. We have a flashcard with 3 apples. Think of other objects that usually come in groups of 3. Let's try to think of some ideas. Congratulations on your major milestone. You have worked hard and have done an excellent job. Counting and writing numbers are essential skills that will give you a strong foundation for continued learning. To ensure your success, keep practicing counting and writing numbers daily. Your dedication will be instrumental in achieving your future goals. Well done and congratulations on this fantastic accomplishment.